In today's video, I will walk you through how to transfer your fund account asset to spot account on BingX. Need to move your crypto before you start trading. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer assets from your fund account to your spot account on BingX. The process is quick, free, and only takes a few taps. Let's get started. From the home screen, tap Assets to view your account balances. Here, you'll see different account types, including your fund account, which is typically used for deposits, withdrawals, and holding assets, and your spot account, which is used for spot trading. Before transferring, make sure the cryptocurrency you want to trade is available in your fund account. Next, tap the Transfer button. A transfer window will appear, allowing you to move assets between your BingX accounts. For the From account, select Fund account. For the To account, select Spot account. If the accounts are reversed, simply tap the swap icon to switch them. Now select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, if you're planning to trade with USDT, choose USDT from the asset list. Then enter the amount you'd like to transfer. You can type a custom amount or tap Max to move your entire available balance. Since this is an internal transfer within your BingX account, there are typically no blockchain network fees, and the transfer is usually completed instantly. Review the transfer details to make sure everything is correct. Check the source account, destination account, selected cryptocurrency, and transfer amount. Once you're ready, tap Confirm. After a few moments, your assets should appear in your spot account, and you'll be ready to place buy or sell orders on the spot trading page. And that's how to transfer assets from your fund account to your spot account on BingX.